Aloha from Club Scrap. This is Trisha Morris, and I'm here to introduce you to our latest collection called Surf Shop. This is bright, bold, and beautiful. You are going to love it. Let's check out the centerpiece of this kit, which includes two each of our prints, including this fun board print and then this beautiful wave print. Also, we've got some nice heavy cardstock here in a dark blue. We've got a nice bright green, a sunny yellow, and a beautiful aqua. 2 sheets of each color. You'll love our cut aparts to help you finish up those pages. They include the border strips, some journaling prompts, and other ways to fill your pages just in case you're shy on pictures. We also help you by including a dozen photo mats. These are trimmed to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, which makes them perfect for matting your 4 by 6 photos. You'll have 3 each of the aqua, blue, green, and yellow. We've selected some beautiful coordinating ribbons, including a 7/8 inch metallic aqua, this 5/8 inch taffeta, and a nice 3/8 inch super soft dark blue. And then check out these fun woodcut surfboards. Jazz up your pages with some wave charms or this sweet little text charm that says, "May you always have a shell in your pocket and sand between your toes." And finally, we've got a bonus die cut here of all these interlocking circles. This is going to do a great job finishing off your pages. Now, if the idea of turning everything you just saw into scrapbook pages is a little bit scary, never fear, I am here to help. We've got a nice copy of these instructions that you can print out at home and follow along, as well as a video workshop, and that to me is the magic. So every single thing that came in the box will be transformed into these completed pages. We will make 8 12 by 12 layouts together, literally using every last piece that comes in that box. In fact, there will be no scraps when you are done with these pages. I look forward to seeing you at Club Scrap's Surf Shop class. I can't wait to make these pages with you. Aloha.